I managed to get my bicycle in through the front gate. Everything is locked up and we're really not allowed to come on inside. I did want to show you guys kind of how everything is flooded back here, and you can see the road is totally flooded and you can't get through. They had the side gate open, so I was able to go through the side and come around. I'm actually coming up to the field here and you can see how everything is flooded. I'll be taking the drone up so you can see everything from up above. This rain has really flooded our field. Way too much rain. I don't know when this is all going to be cleared out. Even on this side road, it's starting to flood there as well, so I don't know when this is actually going to be blocked as well. Don't try and come in. I actually got busted. They did meet me at the front gate, and I had to explain myself and why I was back there, and so don't get caught.